Hey friends, if you wish to fix all Windows Media Player issues on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for Media Player in the Windows search bar and then click on the forward pointing arrow. Okay, and then click on this option here which says App Settings. Wait. Now scroll down, click on terminate to terminate it for that session. Click on repair. Wait till you get a tick mark here. When you do, then it will repair the process. Then you can click on reset and reset once again. Wait till you get a tick mark here and then it would have reset. Finally, you can uninstall the Media Player application. Wait till it gets uninstalled. Search for store and then go to the Microsoft Store. Okay, now search for Media Player and then you can go to the Media Player application. Okay, and then go to Windows Media Player and click on install to reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.